panoramic view monitor calibration on a 2023 to 2025 Toyota Sequoia. Before continuing with this video, there are some markings or patterns that need to be placed on the floor before continuing. Once you have the patterns or markings completed, you have to enter the diagnostic mode on the display to start the calibration. Now there are two methods of getting to diagnostic mode. The first option is using a OBD, going into a navigation module, and you just press a button, it'll take you to diagnostic mode. The second method would be using a option of flicking the screen. So first step is to put the car in ignition. So press twice without pressing the brake. Let the display screen start up. If your radio is on, turn off by pressing the power button. And next, go to settings, the bottom left corner. Go to display. Turn off the display. And right here, you're going to flick the screen from left to right 5 times, and then right to left 5 times within 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is diagnostic mode or service menu. To get to calibration, click on function check/setting. Go to camera setting. If the view adjustment is grayed out, just press and hold for a few seconds. And let go. Press next. So right here, you're able to adjust all 4 cameras on the panoramic view. I'll just show you how to do the left one. So press on left. And you can rotate the angle if you see it different. And the right one, same thing, do the angle. I'm just going to change the angle. Once you have the setting to the markings, press OK. Back out. And to exit diagnostic mode, just turn off the car and turn it back on. It's off. And just double check everything looks good. That's how you calibrate the panoramic view monitor on a 2023 to 2025 Sequoia.